Yo, kamusta si Floyd ng Spec Technology at ipagpapatuloy natin yung ating basic electronics tutorial. Okay, so natapos na yung series, ngayon naman pupunta tayo sa parallel. Okay, so eto yung ating whiteboard. So drawing ko lang yung ating parallel. So we have these. Okay, sa ating parallels, lagi natin tandaan na current nito is magkaiba, pero yung voltage nito is parehas lang. Okay? So, dito sa node na to, which is I call it node A, node A2, B, and C. So, dito, like for example, ang BN ko is 80 volts. Like for example. So, meron akong 80 volts. Okay, so, I have 80 volts input. So, ibig sabihin, yung voltage at this node is 80V. At this node also is 80V. Okay? So, pero yung current na nagpo-flow dito is magkaiba, depende sa ating resistance. For example, yung ating R1 here is 10 ohms. Yung ating R2 is 40 ohms. Okay, so now we have a resistor, which is R2 to. Okay, so we have a resistor, and kailangan natin makalculate yung total current na nagpo-flow sa ating circuit at yung total resistance sa ating circuit. At alamin din natin yung total power ng ating circuit. Okay? Pero alam natin na here, yung ating I1 for R1 is magkaiba. For I1, at yung ating I2 for R2 is magkaiba. So, kung nalala nyo sa ating series circuit, pinagsama natin yung dalawang resistor in a way na yung calculation niya is pang series. Ngayon naman, sa ating parallel naman natin is pagsasamahin din naman natin yung ating dalawang resistor para mag-form siya ng isang resistor, and that's our total resistance. Pero yung calculation natin para magsama yung dalawang resistor na to, or kung marami kang resistor na nakaparallel, pagsasamahin natin, in a way, yung calculation natin is nakapang-parallel. Okay? So, hindi mo pwedeng ipag-interchange yung pang-parallel na formula is only for parallel circuit. And pang-series formula is only for the series circuit. Hindi nyo pwedeng pagbalik-taran yun. Or else, magkakamali na yung circuit analysis niya. Okay. Pagsasamahin natin itong dalawang resistor, pag pinagsama natin yan, magiging total R siya. Okay? Ano ba formula ng ating total R sa ating parallel? Kung natandaan nyo sa ating circuit, pinag-add lang natin sila sa parallel is hindi. So, we have 1 divided by 1 over R1 plus 1 divided by R2. Okay? So, ito yung ating formula ng ating parallel. Okay? So, marami dyan formula na pwedeng gamitin for parallel. Pero yung mga formula yun is may mga condition siyang kailangan masunod para magamit mo yun. Pero etong base formula na to is wala siyang kailangan na condition na kailangan sundin. Ito na talaga yung pinaka-formula niya. Kaya ito lang yung gagamitin ko sa ating circuit. Okay? Okay, so now we have R1 and R2 para makuha natin yung ating total R. So, una muna is, divide muna natin yung 1 divided by value of R1 and 1 divided by value of R2, and then i-add natin, ay yung product no, yung sagot doon, i-divide naman natin, or i-divide natin yung 1 sa sagot doon. Okay, so now, we can substitute those number. So, we have 1 here, and 1 divided by 10 plus 1 divided by 40. So, ang sagot dito is 1 divided by 10 is 0.1. At yung 40, 1 divided by 40 plus na natin is 0.0125. Ay, 0.025. 0.025 ohms. Okay? So, ngayon, isa natitira na lang is pag-a-add natin dalawa. Pag pinag-add natin dalawa, so tapos na tayo dito, ito na lang. Yung operation natin natitira sa baba. Pag-add natin yun, is equivalent siya ng 0.125. Okay? So, ito na yung sagot natin. Tapos, i-divide naman natin yung 1 dito. So, if we divide 1 divided by 0.125 is equals to, calculate ko lang. 1 divided by, sabi tayo calculator. 3 naman to eh. Divided by 125 is equals to 8 ohms. Okay, so we have, ang sagot dito, ang ating total R is equals to 8 ohms. Okay, so 8 ohms yung ating sagot. So, ibig sabihin, pwede natin pagsamahin ito to form one resistor. One big resistor or small resistor. Delete natin. Delete ko rin natin. Purahin natin. And now we can draw yung equivalent circuit ng ating dalawang resistor. So now we have this. Yan. So this one is 80 volts. So dito na 80 volts. Okay, DC. And this one is RT na meron equivalent na 8 ohms. Now we can calculate the total current flowing at this circuit. Ay, di ba Floyd, yung dalawang sa loob na ito na resistance is magkakaibang nagpo-flow na current. So, paano naging isa yun? Later on, di pa paliwanag ko sa inyo using KCL. Okay? So, now we have R and voltage. Now, we're going to calculate yung total current. So, alam natin yung total current or total T o IT, total T. Yung IT is equals to total V divided by total R or total resistance. So we can substitute those numbers. So we have 80 volts divided by 8. So 80 divided by 8 is equals to, yung total I natin is equals to 10 amps. Okay, so ibig sabihin yung total I natin na nagpo-flow dito is 10 amps. Now we can calculate na yung total power na nagpo-flow dito. So alam natin yung ating power is equals to V times I, which means yung ating V is 80 volts times 80 volts times 10 amps. 80 volts times 10 amps, yung ating total power ngayon is 80 times 10 is equals to 800 watts. Sobrang laki. So dahil 80 volts yung ating voltage, ginawa ko to para hindi tayo magkalituhan at walang nawawala sa circuit. Kasi pag meron kasing decimal value is i-round off natin, may nawawala. Kaya hindi natin nakikita o hindi natin talaga na-check yung isang formula kung accurate o hindi. Anyway, so alam natin na yung current natin is 10 amps. Total power natin is 80 watts. 800 watts. Now, try natin kung sa sense naman ng ating KCL. Kung parehas pa talaga sila. So, we have this form. Okay. Ito yung ating R1 and R2. And this one is 10 ohms here. And this one is 40 ohms. At alam natin, ito is 80 volts, yung ating supply voltage, 80 volts. At alam natin, yung voltage at this node here is 80 volts din. At this node here is 80 volts. Pero magkaiba yung current na nagpo-flow dito at saka current na nagpo-flow dito ay current I1 and I2. Okay? Pero alam natin, yung nagpo-flow dito na current here is total I2, which is T or equals to 10 amps. So, sabi sa Kirchhoff law of current or KCL, the current enter the nodes, yung current enter the node must be equal to the current leaving to the node. Okay, so we have a total P here, and this one is yung ating I1, and this one is yung ating I2. Ang sabi doon, yung pag pinag-add mo daw, yung dalawang resistance dapat sakto dito sa ating total I. Sabi doon, the current enter the node, this node, papasok yung ating IT, tapos mag-i-split sa dalawa, ito yung ating IT, mag-i-split sa dalawa, must be equal to the sum of the current leaving the node. Ano ba yung current leaving the node? Yung ating I1 and I2. So, alam natin yung ating pantaya. So, alam natin yung ating total T is equals to 10 amps. So, supposed to be dapat, pag pinagsama natin yung I1 tsaka I2, equivalent niya is 10 amps. Try natin. So, we have 80 volts here at the top. magpo-flow siya dito sa ating 10 ohms na resistor. Tingnan natin kung ano yung ating I1. Okay, so formula ng ating I is equals to, I1 is equals to voltage, which is 80 volts, divided by 10 ohms, or yung ating R1. So, 80 divided by 10 is alam natin na ano, 8. Okay? So, we have yung ating I1. So, yung ating ano to? So, yung ating I1 is equivalent to 8 amps. So, expected natin, kung checkin natin sa ating KCL, is total I total is equals to I1 plus I2 in this circuit. Okay, sa circuit na to. So, pag-checkan natin yung ating, we have I1 and we have total I. So, malalaman natin kung ano yung value ng ating I2. So, pag ililipat ko to dito, since positive to, so magiging total I total minus I1 is equals to I2. Ngayon, expected natin, so since ito is 10 amps minus 8 amps is equals to 2 amps dapat yung ating I2 na lalabas. Pag kinalculate natin itong circuit na to. Now, try natin kung tama bang 2 amps yung lalabas para masunod yung ating KCL. At para to check din natin yung ating ohms law kung tama ba yung assumption nila na yung current is magkakaibang nagpo-flow sa circuit pag parallel. Okay? So, check natin kung tama. Okay? We check the formula kung babalidate natin yung formula kahit hindi natin karapatan mag-validate. Okay, so we have 80 volts here at this node. Tapos, dadaan sa ating 40 ohms. So, we have I2 So, we have I2 divided, I2 is equals to 80 volts divided by 40 volts. 40 ohms. So, 80 divided by 40, kahit i-cancel mo tong 0, since 0 sila, 8 divided by 4 is equals to, I2 natin is 2 amps. So, pag pinag-add natin yung I2 at saka yung ating I1, yung I1 natin is 8 amps, plus I2 is equals to 10 amps, which is I total, the current enters the node must be equal to the current leaving the node. Ito yung enter the node, yung I total natin, nag-enter siya dito sa node na to, tapos yung current na dalawa, nag-split kasi magkakaibang current sila, nag-split sila, that's leaving the node. So, yung leaving the node natin, yung I1 saka I2, yung I1 natin is 8 amps, yung ating I2 is 2 amps, is equivalent niya pag pinag-add natin 10 amps, which is yung ating enter the node na current is 10 amp, which is equal. No energy is created, no energy is destroyed. Okay? So, both Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's law is iisa lang sila pag kinalculate natin using their techniques. Pero, sa calculation, may mga advantage yung dalawang calculation na yun. So Ohm's law at Kirchhoff's law of current and voltage. So, but alam natin na para silang tama at eksakto. Okay? So, ayun yung ating current. So, yung total power natin ay 800 watts. Ngayon, pag 80 volts times 8, so, ayun yung lalabas na power plus 80 volts plus 80 volts plus 8, yun yung ating power sa resistor 1 na to. At yung power naman sa resistor 2 is 80 volts times 2. Okay, so, ang lalabas doon, sure ako na 800 watts. Which is, ayun yung kinalculate natin using Ohm's law. Okay, so, ito yung ating circuit analysis regarding sa parallel. Okay, so next natin na pag-aaralan o susunod natin na lesson which is try naman natin yung missing resistor o missing resistance. Okay, paano ba natin i-calculate pag wala yung resistance na kailangan yung current na may dapat constant current lang yung mag-flow dito, kailangan mong ilimit yon using resistor. Ngayon, paano mo i-calculate pabalik? Kasi dito, is kina-calculate natin using resistance and voltage, kina-calculate natin yung current. Ngayon naman, sa sunod naman na pag-aaralan, is pabalik naman tayo. Tayo yung maglilimit ng current, which is yun naman yung trabaho ng resistor. Kailangan i-calculate mo yung current na nagpo-flow doon kasi kung nag-over ka, like for example, you have LED. Pag nag-over ka dun sa 30 milliamps, pwede mo masira yung LED. So, kailangan mo i-calculate yung resistance value para fix at eksakto yung current na mag-flow sa ating LED. At yun ang susunod natin pag-aaralan. And after that, marami pa tayong pag-aaral, like for example, transistor as a switch, relays, contactor, ang lahat ng yun, how to activate yung contactors using Arduino, how to activate relay using transistor, and how to activate transistor, BJT, or bipolar junction transistor using Arduino, MOSFET, is lahat yun is nasa basic electronics natin pag-aaralan. Okay, medyo mahaba tayo sa parallel at may mga voltage divider pa tayo pag-aaralan, which is conversion from high voltage to low voltage. Like for example, gusto mong i-read yung 12 volts na input, like for example, galing sa ibang sensor, tapos Arduino yung gagamitin mo. So 5 volts lang yung Arduino mo. How you can step down yung voltage into 5 volts since 12 volts yung ina-output ng sensor. Dapat in relate pa rin or linear relation pa rin dun sa source niya, which is yung sensor mo na 12 volts. Dapat i-down mo siya into 5 volts pero linear relation pa rin siya. Like for example, ibabalik mo rin siya sa program mo na 12 volts, 2.5 volts. Ilan na ba dapat yun sa sensor mo nilalabas? 6 volts na ba dapat yun? So lahat ng yun is dito natin pag-aaralan sa basic electronics. Lahat ng almost calculation regarding sa electronics at basic electronics is dito lahat. Okay? So medyo napahaba ako sa ating parallel kasi ng KCL palayo. So, pero expected yun na mahaba each lesson ng mga susunod kasi puro math calculation tayo at konting physics lang. Okay? So, yun lang muna for now. And once again, I'm Floyd from the Spec Technology at magandang hapon sa ating lahat at mag-iingat po kayo palagi. Maraming salamat po.